go. Yeah. I wake up, flex, thumb down, now check. No drip, this time to run it up. No sleep.
What's up, guys? It's Daryl. Welcome back to another video. So you can tell by the thumbnail that we got something good in store for you. You knew it was only a matter of time, right? That it was going to add another car to the channel, right? You didn't think the NSX was going to be the only car, did you? Well, we got a nice surprise for you. We're going to do the unveiling garage update, guys. Behind those doors right there, that would be right there, we've got something brand new for you. It's going to bring a lot of cool content to the channel, right? So I'm at Dream Nation Headquarters West, okay? Garage update. NSX is having a playmate, okay? Y'all ready for the reveal? All right, let's get to it. Do we have it? What is that, guys? That's the 2020. I don't even need to say what it is. If you are a car fanatic, car buff, you already know what time it is. Folks, so y'all remember Sydney. So he's gonna actually be doing a lot of the driving on this car. I can't drive two cars at once. So if you remember my son Sydney, he had the bad C7 Corvette with the big wang on the back that I helped install. It took about 20 hours. Maybe not. So Sydney, was this a tough decision to get rid of the Corvette?
Not at all, honestly. When you compare a Corvette daily driving to a Supra, I mean, the Corvette was bumpy, transmission was just like all over the place, but I mean, it got its looks. It had the spoiler, as you said, the wrap and everything, but I just thought, I know I'm an import tuner at heart, so I mean, we had to do it big with the Supra.
So we're not in any way hating on the Corvette.
No,
Corvette was a lot of fun. He did a lot of modification to it, got a lot of looks, a lot of respect, but it's time to move on, right?
Maybe we'll come back to a C8.
And maybe we'll come back to a C8, you said it right, Z06 one day. So why the Supra? Of all the things you could have chosen, why the Supra?
I just, like I said, always love tuners. I've just been following the aftermarket, you know, shout out TJ Hunt with the wide body Street Hunter design. And I mean, I just have a lot of plans for this car.
Okay, so let's get you to start it up. We're gonna see how the exhaust sounds factory, because we haven't done anything to it yet.
Yep. So
yet, meaning stay tuned, more content coming with modifications. So we're gonna see how it sounds. We're gonna pull it out the garage and do initial walk around. Sounding good. So guys, I'm gonna give you a little spoiler alert. I've been driving it a little bit. I've already recorded some POV footage. So that's gonna be the second video. Stay tuned for that. Some POV driving and driving reactions. Okay, all right. Okay. All right, let's give it an initial walk around, get some initial impressions. By no means is this gonna be a detailed review. That's coming later. Right now, it's just about first thoughts, right? So we'll start at the back. Looking good. First of all, I really like the color. I like the blue. You don't see too many of these, period, but we got the dual exhaust tips. Super Toyota GR. Got some little air vents here. Rear diffusers. I guess
rear fog light.
Rear fog light. Let's pop the trunk. Show folks what kind of trunk space we got. Okay, you can see the two subwoofers for the audio system. Okay, decent amount of trunk room. All right, let's check out what tires. Everybody wants to know, well, what size wheels is it rolling on? What kind of tires? So we got Michelin Pilot Super Sports 275/35 ZR19, guys. Drop a comment. Let me know, do you like these rims? Should we stay with these rims for a while? Or should we switch up to something bigger, different? Let us know. All right, so along the side here, another cutout shape for the vent mirrors, and they are retractable.
Yep.
which is a good thing because the NSX doesn't even have retractable mirrors.
I say one thing that really drew me to this car was just like the body line. You see the side profile and just how like curved and cultivated it
Yeah,
is.
it's almost like a wide body effect. If you look at it from right there, very wide body-ish. Moving around the front. So I like the lights. I like the 3 jeweled, actually 6 of them, stacked lights. Vents, some functional, some not at this point. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. Okay, opens pretty easily. Okay, big engine cover. So we're talking about a V6. What's the specs?
It's a 3.0 inline 6-cylinder turbocharged.
Okay, so we got a single turbo buried up under here somewhere. Not quite sure yet, but we'll find it somewhere in there. It's gonna be fun modifying this car. It's gonna be a lot of fun. All right, let's see what we got on the inside. Door opens pretty easily. Once again, it's not gonna be a detailed review. That's coming later. But just want to give you a quick little glimpse. Yes, yes, yes. You can see those big subwoofers I was talking about for the speaker system. This is just a 2-seater coupe. All the bells and whistles, carbon fiber, infotainment center, paddle shifters, full leather. All the bells and whistles. Drop a comment. What modification do you think we should make first? Now I'm partial. I've seen a Supra with the big wing, reminiscent of the 2JZ Supra. So I'm probably partial to doing the big wing first. But that's just me. Drop a comment. Let us know what you would like to see done first. Cindy, what would you like to see?
For me, it's either between the wing or front lip, and then second, we're definitely gonna lower it. HKS adjustable springs coming up.
You heard it there. You heard it there first, guys. So let us know what you think. Drop a comment right now. Let me know what kind of content you want to see with this baby. Still got a lot more content coming with the NSX, so stay tuned for that. But we got a lot of fresh content coming with this. We have a lot of fun with that.